I'm doing a September boxing today. Hi, pretties. This is what the September box is going to look like. Here is the Better Than Cashmere scarf. It's super soft. You can find this at places like Nordstrom. It's a really great brand called David & Young. And the pieces in the box are genuine ruby. So we have little rubies on a sweet bar like this. Isn't that fun? Here we go. And then there is an adjustable clasp. So you can actually wear this short up here or long like a pendant. So every blouse is different, so you probably want to have something that you can adjust. I'm big on adjusting jewelry, and this is a good example of that. It also comes with some cute little earrings. These are fun. I think they're very different than most of the earrings that you see out there right now. They have little charms on the end. Also genuine rubies. And you can get this collection in 18 karat gold plating or sterling silver plating, depending on which you prefer. The other piece is this cute bracelet. Also has the ruby charm on it. And it is adjustable as well, because we all come in different shapes and sizes, all of them beautiful. And I like that it has kind of a little cha-cha to it, you know, little charms shake around. And then on the end of both the necklace and the bracelet, there's a couple of little cute CZs to give it a little bit of shimmer. And they come in these cute little bags like this. And this month we're having a bonus because I opened up some spaces, and you can get a Deepa Gurnani hand beaded hairband. You can find these at nice little upper end boutiques, and it retails for $40. So that is the September box. I hope you love it as much as I do. Have a sparkly day.